We put books on in English. We buried Andy in books today in English. It was pretty funny.
Oh, now I'm recording. That sucks. Let me zoom out. What's up, Laura? Hi. This is so going on Facebook, by the way.
Yeah, it all melted.
And Maddie.
All the snow melted.
It's seriously melted?
Yeah, it already melted.
All of
it
melted.
Class period.
Let's go to the window.
All of it melted. Friday. It doesn't. It looks like it rained. It was like this an hour ago.
Oh, I totally did melt. That's crap.
Did you dye your hair?
Totally.
Last night?
Yep.
Are you serious?
I am. I'm dead serious. I totally dyed my hair.
1 to 3 inches, my.
Everybody keeps asking me if I dyed my hair, but I didn't. I'm getting 20-inch extensions though, and I'm sorry.
You should tell me 20 inches. Like how long will that be? Like, show us.
Right below my boobies.
Woo! Yeah, girl, that's what we're
on my Facebook.
That is what we're talking about.
Putting it on YouTube.
I'm recording you because we need a Laura show, okay? Because all these
Laura doesn't have anything she wants.
these great conversations that happen in 7th period should be exploited, okay? They really need to be.
I'm too sorry
20
to have funny
conversations.
It's only $22.
Oh.
20 inches of hair is only $22.
Where at? Because I want to get to
Website they have to order them from.
You should give me the information because, like, I really want my hair like down to
I'll
here.
send you the link on
Either
Facebook. What a bad student.
This is Andy teaching.
The Elvis equation is used to find how popular you are on Twitter. Now, the Elvis equation can easily be abbreviated into smile plus star minus heart over 100, but that's all just shorthand notation for the real notation, which is T over J plus N over V times the quotient of N over H plus Z squared minus B over 20 over 100. Now, all of these variables mean something different, and all of them figure in directly into what it takes to know how popular you are on the social networking site Twitter. Such as, T is represented by the number of tweets total that you've had in your lifetime. J is your number of total followers. B is how many people you follow. The average number of last month's favorites is sigma, or easily found by N over V, where N is total months of last month's tweets, and V is the total number of last month's favorites. The same goes for the average number of last month's retweets, which is delta, or N over H, where N is the same as last month's tweets, as the same as in sigma, and H is last month's total retweets. It's all used to find the average. Once you have those averages, you just click Z in, and then you square it, minus B over 20. And B is the total number of people you are following. Well, initially we couldn't determine if B was a negative thing or a positive thing. We did figure out that psychologically people were apprehensive about you following a larger number of people. But not so much that it affect the equation in a totally negative way. That's why it's over 20.
It's all about MySpace.
With an average amount, if you're following about 300 people, it'll only take off 9 points from the total scale of 100. The total scale of 100 is found by dividing the whole equation over 100 successfully. As you can see, this smile equals T over J. Star is N over V times N over H plus Z squared. And then minus B is minus B over 20.
Too much time on your hands.
Woo!
I did do mine. Now, the average score we're thinking is around 15% out of 100. Yes, well, now that initially, as you get on a test, 15% is very low or very bad. But in comparison with the other, like, higher level, you know, those people have, like, millions of followers, they really throw the scale off. So a 15% is not necessarily a bad thing. Well, even a 5% is so below average, only slightly. As I have a 23%, I currently hold the highest score in the school until somebody would like to debase me. I doubt you could.
Did you come up with this yourself?
I did.
Yes.
I asked some people questions. Depending on
Yes, he has.
I have asked some people questions depending on like what they felt was appropriate.
Hey, Seabass
You didn't tell us in
contributed.
English.
Seabass contributed.
Well,
Trying to steal all the credit.
Go tell us tomorrow.
Trying to steal all
Sebastian,
the
what
credit.
did help? Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sebastian. Are there any questions?
If you make a
Even
movie,
though
you gotta
talking
put me in
down
the
the
credits.
more.
Why did you name it that?
Well, you know, Elvis, popular culture, popularity on Twitter, makes sense, right?
Except that
You should just put Twitter equation.
I like Elvis.
you never had a Twitter.
I name it Tweet Tweet.
Get one.
That's true.
Like,
But that's what many people don't clear about him.
It's named in his memory.
They don't
Will
Twitter
you
about it.
write that down in my notebook?
Yes, ma'am. You might want to take a picture because I've written it 8 times a day.
Just write it down.
Retweet 8 times.
how about you write it down?
My
Well-
well, broken.
Class is dismissed.
Oh well.
You have to send me that.
Oh yeah, Andy.
White people.
Andy,
I want that.
you're like on video. I got the whole thing on video.
Hi,
So you'll be on Facebook.
Huh?
You're
I
sending
know.
that to